Show you how to pair and connect a pair of AirPod Max directly to your Nintendo Switch. Doesn't matter if you have the Lite or the second generation or the OLED. And we're going to connect this, of course, via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is go to System Settings right down here, System Settings. So go to System Settings. Now we want to go down. You just want to go down to Bluetooth audio. If you don't see Bluetooth audio on like a previous version, then just do a software update and then it should pop on there. Okay, anyway. Bluetooth audio. Let me click on the A right there, and it says pair device. Okay, let's go ahead and click on the A. Now it's searching for devices in pairing mode. Now we got to put these into pairing mode. Let's go ahead and grab these here. And we have this button right here. I'm going to press and hold this. Press and hold until I get a white blinking light right there. Okay, it's blinking white. So these are in pairing mode. Now these are both in pairing mode. So let's give it a little bit and let's see. Wow, that's weird. It popped up as Casper laptop. Okay, weird. Let me click on the back button and then let me pair again. And let's see if it finds it now. Still in pairing mode. Come on. AirPods Max. What do you know? AirPods Max, finally. Okay. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and simply tap on the letter A right there. Connecting Bluetooth audio. And you get this message here, and you can see the check mark right there again, so it is connected. And when you're connected, you can increase volume from the buttons on the Switch, but you can also increase and decrease the volume from the AirPods Max itself simply by using this little dial here. Okay, pretty simple. Now, if you guys had issues where you couldn't pair, or you had connecting problems, or you connected and you couldn't hear these, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to reset these.